This poem deals with the effects of the war and the effect of war on the people who were part of it. The thematic concern of the poem is that we should not be the part of the war. We should do anything and everything to avoid the war. And Siegfried Sasson throughout the poem makes use of a pronoun you, where he is time and again talking to his own self, talking to himself, which states that anyone in this universe must ask repeatedly himself, must tell himself about the incidents of the World War I, must know the consequences of the World War I, must remember them, so that there will never come a time in his life where he will stand and say that we want to go to war. Because in any case, war is a bloody game. Whether it was World War I, whether it was World War II, whether it was any war that has been fought since 1945, the end of World War I is a bloody game. And if today any person says that we want to go to war, he must read the accounts of the war written by those who were part of it. Say, for example, Siegfried Sasson, who is telling you, who is telling me, who is telling anyone on this planet that war is a bloody game, that we must not think of war. We must swear by little kids, we must swear by little children, we must swear by aged men, we must swear by peace, we must swear by hope, we must swear by greenness of the life, we must swear by blue sky, we must swear by peaceful times, that we will not forget what World War I brought to the world, and today we must not forget what World War II brought to the world, and we must not forget what the wars that have been fought post 2000 had brought to the world. We must not forget what war has done in the contemporary times, and we must not forget that any war that will be fought in the future, we must not forget that it will bring more brutality, more curse, more harshness, more troubled times to the humanity. And that is the message of the poem, and that is the theme of the poem, Aftermath. That is all we have at the World of Literature today. We hope that this lecture was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the World of Literature. Thank you for watching, and keep watching the World of Literature.